So this is the plan. This is the headlight. As you can see, it's pretty much opaque, almost milky white. We've got a challenge though. After we've polished it, we need to UV protect it, and you can't UV protect it in the sunlight. So I'm going to move the car around so it's in the shadow of that car there, put the UV protection on, and then move the car back here so it cures. So this is apparently a very important point. So you'll see that in a minute. So this is after the 800 and the 1200. It's getting a little bit clearer, but we're not expecting it to look superb yet because we've not done a polish. The idea is you spend about 3 to 5 minutes on each headlight and you replace the previous kind of scours or grooves from the previous sandpaper with the next one. So you're building up an interesting pattern so the UV stuff can really adhere to it when it is polished. It feels super smooth at the moment, which is, I'm guessing, a good sign. Don't know, not done it before, let's find out. So there's both headlights done. They're not supposed to look clear yet. They're supposed to look milky white, so that's going well. Otherwise it's a disaster. And next we're going to do the polish. And then after we've done the polish, I'm going to stick it in the shade and then apply the UV protection. Okay, there we go. I think that's good enough for the MOT, maybe, but I still see a little bit over here. I'm tempted just to go over again with a higher grit just to see if I can dig that out. Hey, back to Robert Fergus. So I am going to pause this because I'm not very happy. The process was fine, but I think because these lights are so old, the 800 grit ran out before it got deep enough to really take back the oxidation. So I'm going to need to get some more of that before I do anything with the UV. The reason is I don't want to sort of seal in a slight problem, and while it might have been enough to get past the MOT, I want to do it properly, so that's what we're going to do. Right, we're on day 2 now, and basically I run out of the 800 grip. So if you've got lights which are heavily yellowed, then you might need a bit more of the 800 grip. And because I've done the 800, the 1200 and the 2000, if I carried on, might have got past the MOT, but the oxidation in there could increase, and then it will get worse again. So what I'm trying to do is get a little bit deeper, and for that I've got some 600. I'm going to try some 600 in these areas which had a little bit of haze, and then I'm going to redo the 800, particularly in those areas. And what we're hoping for is a nice shine that we can then put the UV protective coat on, and that's it. So I'll conclude at the end, assuming this works. Alright, so what's really interesting is when I did the 600, you've got the white slurry coming off now. Initially it was yellow, and now it's white, and I think that's the sign that you've got through the oxidized stuff, and through to the raw kind of the virgin polycarbonate. So there should be a lot better now. I'm ready for the 800, so I'm going to do the 800 now. $800 done, now the 1200. So that's done. Moment of truth is now. I'm going to do the polish. This is pre-polish. I'm not convinced it's going to be working that well. We'll see. I'm not convinced because apparently when it's wet you should be able to see through it clearly. I can't quite. But I've given it 2 goes now with that 800 since doing the 600. So if that hasn't shifted it, I'm not sure what will shift it. We'll see. But let's find out. we go, that's all done. I think that's pretty much ready for the MOT, and we're going to find out if it passes it. First of all, I've got to put on the, the UV protection. So that's going to come on next. Okay, looks like we're done. Actually, it looks pretty good. I've put the UV sealant on, which is fine. It's now got to go off, cure in direct sunlight. So I'm going to find a sunny part of the road, like there, and leave it in that. Leave it facing the other way once it's fully dried, which will take about 15 minutes. So I've got another 10 minutes to wait for that. And then we'll be done. I could still buff it a bit further after it's been fully hardened over a day or so.
Yeah, got the pass. Phew, it works.